Everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko muna itong reaction video. Ang Barda compilation, sandali lang ha, sandali lang. Bigyan niyo ako ng time. Wow. Ang sabi ko nga, di ba, i-message niyo si Barda Composer kasi may mga post ata ngayon sa page. I don't know kung saang page yun, nakalimutan ko. Pero chinichismis nila si Barbie na baka wala, kina-karma na daw and everything. Diyos ko, minsan nyo lang makita yan si Barbie at kasama pa yung mga friends niya. Tapos sasabihin nyo, pakawala for today's video. Kung akala naman doon na itong mga nagko-comment dito, kung tatapag nila, naka-anonymous lang naman sila. Di ba? Naka-anonymous lang naman sila, saka na kayo magtapang kung hindi kayo naka-anonymous, right? So, I won't take any longer, let's start this. Hayaan mo mag-enjoy si Barbie. Bakit niyo siya inaano? 'Di ba? Diyan tayo nag-aaway-away eh. 'Di ba? Di ba? Nag-enjoy lang yung tao eh. Di ba? Oh, loko. Ano sila dyan? Oh, ingit na ingit kayo ngayon. Charis, Ice in background music. Ay, ano to? Puro kayo. Ay, gago. Sabi ni Mami, bawal ako makapag-play kasi you're masungit. Pati hindi wag ang outing sa pakikita dyan eh. Cutie. Dito talaga eh. Dito talaga for today's video. I-search ko nga yung hashtag David Licao ko kung ano makikita natin. Namimiss ko na si David Licao ko. Mga ay, hello. Ladies and gentlemen, David Licao ko. Hinihintay ang baby. Siyempre, galit na galit kayo niyan kung gaganyan-ganyan kami. Wes, ramdamin niyo ang galit niyo. Hindi kami aatras. Barda forever kami. Akala nyo, hindi kayo magwawagi sa amin. Sinasabi ko sa iyo, hindi talaga kayo magwawagi. Di ba? Okay. Andyan ka na naman. Okay. So ngayon, nasa Australia pa din pala si David Licao. Kailan pa siya babalik? Ang tanong ng bayan, ang tatanong ng buong bansa, saan siya dalahin? Diba? Ganyan talaga dapat. Ano to? Ay, behave talaga siya. Sino kasama niya doon? Behave talaga ang ginawa. Puro music. Ay, alam ko na David Licao ko acting progress. Tingnan natin. David Licao ko acting. Tingnan natin ang mga projects niya before. Ay, bakit may pakis? Ay, hello. Gusto ko makita reaction ba? Ay, wala dito si Barbie. Tama? Ay, oo, wala si Barbie dito. Oo, wala si Barbie dito. Namimiss ko na sila. Uy! Nakakamiss talaga sila sa totoo lang.
Best primetime drama series after a while. It was funny because like all throughout my career, like people would criticize me. Sabi nila, marunong ka actor, sana hindi mo maging actor, puro pa cute, diba? He's cute. But, you know, here I am. I am up here because I had a dream. And I didn't let anything or anyone stop me from chasing my dreams. And there were a lot of sacrifices, a lot of challenges, a lot of failures along the way. Pero, nandito tayo.
Dapat challenge. Pero wala akong talaga siya.
Keep on going, keep on working hard. And sa lahat ng mga
Baka genuine naman ang speech niya.
if you have a dream,
Wala man lang siyang
please
binabasa.
sacrifice for it. Please.
Iba siya, ang best in telephone niya.
And anything or anyone stopping to chase your dreams. And learn every day But if you keep on working hard, if you keep on studying, stay consistent, and try to learn every day, 1% every day lang, pwede na. You'll get there. Thank you so much again to Latin Style National Media Awards for recognizing my cuteness. For my hard work. Also thank you to GMA7 for believing in me, to my Spartan family, Miss Annette, Miss Joy Marcelo, Miss John Navarro, to my handler Sam. Thank you so much. And to my co-manager Arnold de Garcia, who else? Of course, the whole production team of Pulang Araw, kaya Miss Edwin, kaya Miss Shireen, salamat sa pag-aantay sa amin kapag ako-late. Sorry,
Sinasabi nila talaga ngayon na hindi na siya na yun. Totoo lang.
Dolly si Mata Derek, I super appreciate you. You know, like for me, si Derek, I think he is the epitome of a good leader. You know why? Because I feel like he leads everybody in a different way. The way I need it, probably the way Alan needs it. So super appreciate you, Derek. Kasi ako yung type na I need validation if I'm good. And in every scene, he would show me na they did a good job. You know, and super appreciate you, Derek.
Grabe, no? He can compose himself despite na introvert ka, tapos alam mo, sa'yo na sa'yo lahat. Grabe. Ako introvert ako eh, hindi ko kaya yan. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko kaya yan. Sa mga nagtatanong bakit ako nakapolo, kasi summer na. Mainit na dito.
And love you.
Ang grabe yung sigaw mo dyan. Akala mo naman walang pagbakas. Totoo ba?
Ang nga pala.
Ayan.
Sabihin natin na last but not the least.
Ay, last.
Thank you for being
Tapos ginawa nila yung issue na ang sabi nila kinalimutan si Barbie Contessa.
That's true. That's true.
Oo ba? Hindi pa kakapos siya ng speech, di ba? Nagmamadali lang kasi yung mga tao dyan. Kaya sige na, oo nga. Sige na. Please. Hindi pa nga nito tapos mag-speech.
Kinabahan mo ang first scene natin na feeling ko, baka hindi ko kaya. Well, you inspired me guys to come back here, really. And of course, the acting coaches, from the very beginning, Miss Andolegas, thank you so much. Coach Norms Portales, and yung sa bulang araw naman si Ruth, Coach Ruth. What's your last name again? Ha? Sorry. Ruth Alvarez. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much, Jimmy, for listening. I'm sorry if I put time. And
Socially relevant TV series. The Stallion Goes Soon. Pulang Araw, GMA7.
Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Kifa Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!